on. Hey,
Yeah?
Grandma, why do you don't get pool that we can go in with a pool that our dad has? We got a water slide, and not like yours. It's just a little one that. Alex, we still have a water slide at Dad's.
There it goes.
Oh. We already saw some fireworks go off.
There's two up in the air.
Like, yeah, I went up with fireworks and I saw a part where they showed. We already saw 3.
Congrats.
Oh, we already saw 3 fireworks before these.
Hey.
Ow! Ow, that hurt my ears!
Well, cover your ear.
Ow! 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 Ah! Ow! 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 What? Boom! Ow. We saw 3 like that. Ow. 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 Ow.
What makes me nervous?
Ow.
They don't stop.
Ow. Ow.
Keep doing it.
Ow. Shining cool. Ooh. It's lighting up the whole world. Ow.
Like now.
Ow.
I haven't stopped saying that.
It hurt my ears.
Well, you have to say it every time.
Because
Yeah,
she
Buddha
can see me. I
pivot.
can't see her.
That's one. That's mine too. That's what I saw. A lot of fireworks shoot. That was loud. There's a lot of fireworks shoot, and that was super loud.
Mm-hmm.
At the fireworks place, that was so loud when they shoot a bunch. They shoot a bunch, and that was loud.
But when it's on the ground, don't get it.
At the fireworks place, they did
I think he's
shoot
far enough
them.
away.
That was loud.
He's being safe, I hope.
He's right there. Rob's right there.
Oh, there's Uncle Bob.
Where?
Right there?
Where by the fire? Right there.
Oh, he's right there.
Grandpa's up there by the fire.
Do you have them like nailed down or anything? They're all no. Patched. You like that, Alex?
Come on.
Oh, come on, come on.
Please,
Still
please
going,
be
baby.
more.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Who's shooting the fireworks? No one. You're the shooting. Ryan, that's the ones that are pretty.
Ooh, that was cool.
They're shining, falling down. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
And like you're just shooting like colors.
Show for us. Don't you like that?
I
But
like
it just shooting colors up.
Here we go.
Oh, look at that one.
Wow.
Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
that's the ones that are screaming.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Oh crap. Ow. Woo.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
You like that?
It was an idiot
The
one.
bad thing is if the police come or something, you can't stop them.
Like screaming everything.
Screaming everywhere.
Right next to it. You're getting good ones, Brian.
Oh crap.
I like them. Green. Green. There's red ones, a lot of them. And green. A lot of red ones are the green.
Come on.
Do it
Oh.
again.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Green. 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 Ooh, that one's pretty. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Red.
Orange.
Yellow. Yellow.
That's green.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
That's big.
Red.
Yellow.
Oh.
Green.
Red.
Red.
Oh.
Green. Green. Oh, all kinds of colors. Yellow.
Oh. Come on.
Is that it? Is that the end?
No, it shouldn't. Nowhere close.
Oh.
Nobody
That's
knows.
just the introduction.
Hold
I
the
want to
phone.
watch the video.
Shouldn't go out there, probably. Watch the video.
I aimed everything so you can set over there.
Ow. That hurts. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey! That's around fireworks. They're like in the pool. They're in the pool. Where's the Bowman fireworks?
They're coming.
Even though I like them, I can't say anything.
What fireworks are coming? The Boomer ones.
We're like, boo!
I like it.
It is pretty, huh?
That's just
Where's the Boomer fireworks?
That's a stinky one.
Come on.
No, I forgot.
That one forgot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that one didn't come out till it was morning.
Come on.
It didn't come out till it was morning.
Come on.
It's supposed to be like that.
Is that the end?
No.
Maybe no.
How do you know?
I want to do it again.
Why is it not going?
bring it home.